Hi guys, welcome back. Today I created this really golden goddess Halloween tutorial for you guys. If you wanted to add a crown or maybe like a halo and some wings, you could be like an angel. You could really tailor this to whatever you want to do. It's really easy, kind of a last minute Halloween look. I also did create a poison ivy tutorial as well, so you guys, if you haven't checked that out, you totally should. I also had hairstylist Kathleen come today and help me with this really wavy, wet look, which I really am obsessed with. If you guys want to see how I created this look, keep watching. Alrighty, so Kathleen just went ahead and installed some hidden crown clip-in extensions, and she waved my hair with a GHD 1-inch curling iron, and she curled it in some really tiny pieces and really loosely to give that like loose wave effect. Now she's gonna go ahead and apply some Unite Argan Oil to give me that wet look that I'm looking for. One of the tips Kathleen had was to oil, hairspray, and then oil again, because the hairspray will give the oil something to kind of hold on to. Now she's just applying some Tough Guy water wax. This is by the brand Fatboy, and she's just gonna kind of raise that front part of the hair and give me a little volume there. Alrighty, so that's it for hair. Thank you so much to Kathleen for coming in today and helping me achieve this look and show you guys how we got it. Now we're gonna go ahead and get straight into makeup. Alrighty, first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take the Baked Browns palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Deserted. And this is with our blending brush. And I'm gonna put that right into the crease. This shade is perfection. I don't even need a mirror for this. I could do this in my sleep. I'm just gonna go in a couple times, add a little bit of product at a time, build it up. Alrighty, and just to add a little bit of depth, I'm gonna take Outdoorsy right here and do the same thing. Put that right into the crease. So this shadow is a little bit more on the peachy side. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and take Heart of Gold Block Party Shadow. So pretty. Just gonna use my middle finger for that. And I'm gonna go right all over the lid. To get into that little inner corner of my eye, I'm going to take the shader brush. Take that right in here. I think I even want to bring it higher up into the crease. And then I'll go ahead and just make sure there's no harsh edges. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take our Eyedeal Duo in Lucky Star. And I'm actually just going to use the bottom pigment part. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my finger and go right over top. I even went like in my brow bone, into the brow. We're basically just gonna be bathing in glitter today. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the Desi X Katy palette and I'm gonna use just a kiss in the inner corner. I'm actually gonna use the brush from the Baked Browns palette, the little pencil side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the flat side from that brush from the palette again. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Desi X Katy palette. I'm gonna be taking the shade Churro, and I'm gonna run that along my lower lash line. I really like this brown because it's not too dark and it's not too light. And it's a good like neutral. It's not super cool, it's not super warm, it's not orange. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lower mascara on my lower lash lines off of camera and I'll be right back. So you guys can go ahead and just stop right here and just do this eye look and pop on your regular highlighter and wear this as an everyday look. But I'm gonna go ahead and like really amplify this and I'm gonna take Heart of Gold and I'm gonna apply that as my highlighter to the top of my cheeks. I mean, it's actually not that like crazy. I know a lot of you girls love like a crazy highlight and this is really pretty. So, I mean, if you're really about that highlight life, you can just wear this too. I'm gonna go ahead and actually take that Lucky Star glitter and put that on top. And we can take a fluffy powder brush and just kind of make sure we have no harsh edges. Do the same to the other side. Take that glitter again. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take that Lucky Star glitter again, and I'm gonna take the fluffy brush. This is the large powder brush. And I'm going to lightly tap into that glitter. And I'm actually going to apply this all over the face. I'm scared. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Heart of Gold Block Party and put that on my Cupid's bow. A little on the tip of the nose. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just touch up my lip. I first already applied the Nye Lip Liner in Mahogany all over. And then I take French Roast, also by Nye, and actually just line the lips. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Sand. This is our matte liquid lipstick. And take just a little bit of that in the center of the lips. And then I'm going to go ahead and take Brillo from the Iluvsarahii collection and apply that all over on top. And I like to go back in with French Roast and just kind of deepen it a little bit more on the outer corners. Alright, last thing I'm going to do is take this Badescu Rose Water, and I'm just going to spray my entire face and chest. This is just going to make everything look kind of wet, dewy, refreshed. Alrighty, so here we have it, the finished look. I feel a little out of place being so like dewy looking. I'm usually very like matte kind of girl, but I really like it. I think it's super easy to do like last minute like Halloween costume, or like I said before, you can just stop at the eyes and wear this as every day. I really like that you can wear this block party just like all over the lid, and it's super easy and simple to do, but such a statement. If you guys do decide to recreate this look in any way or put your own twist onto it, please do tag us. We'd love to see. I love to get inspired by your guys' looks as well, and I will see you guys next time.